Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, wilder, local and long-distance movers near me. We offer numerous services for you to choose from for your long-distance move, such as packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. When it's time to relocate, it can become stressful rather fast. We can help make things easier by providing the best possible moving services. Whether you're moving one state over or across the country, our team is ready to help. Although we can't solve every relocation issue, we still make sure to make your moving day so much easier. It's always the best decision to hire an Idaho moving company to assist you with your local move. We guarantee to deliver and offer the right and top services to make your local moving day so much easier, be it a few streets over or the other areas of town. At 3 Movers, we guarantee that our movers know exactly how to make your moving day so much easier and smoother. We always provide you the options to make certain that you get the top service you experience. Our team is ready to assist you with basic and full service moving options. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Wilder Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.